A new black car raced a dusty path across the desert. Suddenly it screeched to a stop. In the sweltering heat, an ancient figure emerged in flowing robes. The passenger leaned forward, curiosity piqued. At the old shepherd's feet lay a wounded animal, its soft cries barely audible over the idling engines. The car had struck one of the lambs. "We've offered compensation," the driver explained. "The shepherd is owed 100 times the value of the sheep." The interpreter leaned in, his eyes knowing. "But watch. The old shepherd will refuse the money. They always do." "Okay, I'm intrigued," said the passenger. "Why?" The interpreter's voice softened. "It's the love he has for each of his sheep. To him, they're not just animals. They're family." The old shepherd knelt beside the injured lamb. With infinite tenderness, he lifted it into his arms and gently carried it away. His weathered hands stroked its wool as he murmured softly. "What's he saying?" "He's calling it by name." The interpreter explained. "Every single one of his sheep has a name. A good shepherd knows each of his flock individually." True to prediction, the shepherd declined the money with a quiet dignity. Then, cradling his injured lamb, he turned and walked away, his flock following their loving shepherd.
Why did the shepherd refuse that massive amount of money? The answer gives us a look into God's heart. And it's not just some feel-good fluff. This is real life-changing stuff. Think about it. In John 10:27, Jesus tells us, "My sheep listen to my voice. I know them and they follow me." Now, the God of the universe, the one who spoke galaxies into existence, he knows me. He knows you, personally. It's like the shepherd in our story. He didn't just see a flock. He saw individual sheep. Jesus didn't just suffer for all mankind. He suffered and paid the price for individuals. So when one of us lambs get hurt, he doesn't hesitate. He scoops us up, holds us close, whispers our name. That's Jesus with us. Isaiah 40:11 paints this beautiful picture. He tends his flock like a shepherd. He gathers the lambs in his arms and carries them close to his heart. He gently leads those that have young. Wow, what a promise! But here's the thing, and I want you to really hear this. Knowing Jesus as our good shepherd isn't just about feeling warm and fuzzy. It's about trust. It's about following his lead, even when the path is hazy. It's about tuning our ears to hear his voice in a noisy world. So, how do we do that? Well, it starts with spending time in his word. Yeah, but it's not about becoming a theologian. It's about getting to know the heart of God, one verse at a time. And when you get into that Bible study, remember, you're listening for the voice of the shepherd who knows your name. That's how we get closer to God. Can I just say, the shepherd sees you, he knows your name, and he's not giving up on you.